All right, guys. Now, the truth is that if I had known this information I'm about to reveal to you guys in this video, if I had known it earlier enough, I would have done better in terms of my performance, my result, I would have done way far better. Now, irrespective of your trading strategy, all right, what you are using to engage this market on daily basis, trust me, guys, we all need good price action. And for me, what I classify as good price action is movement in the market. We need this market to move and not just anyhow movement. I'm going to show you guys the type of movement I'm talking about. Now, this will be the type of price action you should start looking for every time you want to engage this market. Like as I was saying, for me, what I classify as good price action is movement. And this is the type of movement I'm talking about. All right, so this is the kind of movement I am talking about. And this is the kind of price action you should crave for as a trader. You should crave for this kind of price action because trust me, you're going to make so much money. I've told you guys before, making money from this industry, the price action you are trading, contributes a lot to your success. Now, this is the kind of price action we call cutting edge price action. So let me explain what that statement is, okay? So this should be majorly daily time frame because that is what we use for our daily direction. Now, what this actually means is that each daily candle is closing above the previous one. Now, this is not about, framing direction of the market. This is about nature, all right? This is about nature. What I'm trying to explain is that there are some assets that has this attribute whereby each candle close above, each candle close above, each candle close above, each candle close above. And for bearishness as well, they close below. They close below. There is no way you will make even of course, even an amateur trader can make money with this kind of environment. Now, this is just for bullish and bearish scenario. Then, when combining it in terms of market structure and everything, okay, whereby we have, of course, we have a push to the upside, and then there will be a retracement. Even the retracement will still have that nature, okay, cutting edge, count closing above, then closing below, then closing above. If you trade this kind of environment, trust me, your win rate is going to accelerate. Now, our duty as traders is to help ourselves. What I'm trying to say is that we have to try our best to make sure that we go through this whole market, we try our best to make sure that the asset we are trading has these characteristics. You guys are aware, of course, I am very, very addicted to trading Euro US dollar, okay? Now, I love to trade Euro US dollar a lot. When I'm doing examples, I love to use Euro USD. And most of the time, I trade Euro USD on my prop account. Most of my prop account, I trade Euro USD. This is just like a history summary of my account that I've been trading for since last year. If you take a look, you'll see everything here is Euro USD, just few partially GBP US dollar, but majorly I trade Euro USD on my prop account. Then most of the time, almost all the time, I trade NAS 100, which means NASDAQ. I trade NAS 100 on my broker account. Now, I sat down one day and then I take a look at, my performance in terms of prop firm and then in terms of my broker account. And then I found out something that my payout, my withdrawal on my broker account are way far better. Like you can't compare the result of my broker account and my prop firm account. Initially, I used to think it's because of prop firm and all that until I came to realize that the performance I'm getting trading NAS 100 is different from trading Euro USD. Take a look. This is my withdrawal history on my prop firm account. This is the last 7 days. I've even made 3 withdrawals, and yet I've not even done any on my prop account. Take a look at the last 30 days. You can see there are a lot of withdrawals that takes place here. Now, I was thinking it's the result of, the nature of account I'm trading, prop firm and broker account, but it is not. I can't even count, the withdrawals are here. You can see countless withdrawal histories here. I can even scroll more and more for you to see withdrawal history. Now, this is not to show off withdrawal history. I'm just showing you guys my experience to let you guys know what I discovered. Now, I want to take you guys back to the chart. Let's take a look at NAS 100. I'm on daily time frame right here. Okay, let me pull out NAS 100. Okay, let's take a look at this price action. Let me wipe everything on my chart. Take a look at what I'm talking about. Cutting edges, daily candles closing above each other is countless. And apart from that, we understand that this asset has a specific side of the market. We call it one-way market. This asset is bullish. You can see because we have lesser black candles here than the green candles. But apart from that, every candle respects the previous one. Closing above. When it started tracing, closing below, closing above. Even a child can make money trading this asset. I just showed you guys why I am switching from, let me show you guys Euro USD. Let's take a look. Okay. Now, the same, of course, the same market, but different asset. This Euro USD chart, you can't compare it to what I just showed you guys right now on NAS 100. Take a look. Even this environment can destroy your psychology if you are not trained enough. If you don't have a good management skill, you don't have good discipline to risk management. That's why sometimes what you trade, I'm not going to lie to you guys, the asset to trade contribute to your trading success. That's why you see you come up online. Some people are posting their payout certificate from there. Just take a look at your leaderboard, your profile leaderboard, and then take a look at people who are on top of that leaderboard. I'm not saying you're going to see me there because I pull out my profit as quick as possible, but take a look at some people. I have gone to check some people. The asset they are trading, all right, is different from most of these assets we all are trading. I'm not saying Euro USD is bad, GBP USD is bad. I'm only here to advise you. The asset you are trading matters a lot. One of my friends came to visit me the other day. We all started this trading industry together. And then he was complaining to me. That was about 3 months or 4 months ago. That why is it that he's not getting, results compared to how I am getting my own result? And then I asked him what asset you are trading. Obviously, Euro and GBP. That's how we all started. And then I asked him one simple question. So far, no, they tire you. Those of you in Nigeria, you understand what I'm talking about. Next, you can't compare this price action on Euro USD and SAU US dollar. That's why you see sometimes I've even posted SAU US dollar analysis on my free Telegram platform. The channel is, the link is in the description part of this video. I have posted the analysis already, which means we are getting ready for this asset to take off. Now, let's take a look at SAUSD for the past, of course, what I just showed you guys is what you are seeing here. Cutting edge, cutting edge. Please, 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 please. Of course, I love you all on this, my YouTube community. Please consider what you are trading. Before you start, blaming your trading strategy. And by the way, if you are still having issue with your own trading strategy, please, this video may not be of use to you. You have to work on your trading strategy. Make sure you have a strategy that is profitable. If you don't have one, watch my videos on this YouTube community or use the link in the description part of this video to chat up my admin regarding one-on-one mentorship. We're going to enroll you guys and then join us on our mentorship. You learn how we trade our profitable strategy. But if you already have a strategy and your performance is dropping, please consider what you are trading. And I can solely highly recommend this asset to you guys. Indices, commodities, even some cryptocurrency pairs are doing very well. All you need to do is scan through the market, take a look at, be on daily time frame. Make sure these are the type of price action you see. Once you see this type of price action, guys, you are going to kill this market. This is what will give you money. Consolidation cannot pay you. Today it can't close up, tomorrow close bearish, tomorrow close bullish. How are you going to make money in such environment? That is why, of course, I'm already gradually switching to indices and then commodities. And I'm sure the year 2026, that is everything I'm going to trade. Right now, I'm already signing off from currencies. Though I still trade them, but I'm already signing up. And we are building new strategy for indices, commodities. I've already announced it on our social media page. We are building new mentorship course for indices and commodities. If you want to be part of us next year to trade, you can enroll right now, starting from this November. Enroll and then learn this new strategy that we are going to use to smash indices, commodities. I've showed you guys my withdrawal page on my broker account. That is how I'm trading NAS 100 indices and then also SAU USD. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. All right, make sure you turn up your notification button so that you can get updates as we post. All right, I believe this video is going to help you guys. Definitely make sure you consider what you are trading. Okay, this video is about give you guys orientation awareness to cross-check what you are doing, what you are trading. Make sure the asset is worth your time. For me, assets that worth my time are cutting edge asset, cutting edge direction. A candle closing above, a candle closing below. All right, I'll see you guys next upload. Peace.